Tell me more about what you guys do and specialize in. If I'm a franchisee, what does the day-to-day look like for me? Who's a good candidate? So anyone that's out there, who's a good persona that tends to do well here? All right, you want to introduce yourself, please?
Hey guys, how are you? My name is Torres. I'm the National Franchise Sales Manager for Fiesta Franchise Corporation.
Tell me more about what you guys do and specialize in.
So we specialize in franchising, tax, and insurance offices. We have over 250 locations nationwide. Our three top markets are California, Texas, and Florida. We assist franchisees throughout the whole process. We tailor an experience where someone that doesn't have experience in the insurance or tax field can come in. We assist them with training, software, marketing, site selection, demographic research. We take them from point A to point Z. We also offer growth opportunities. So a lot of our franchisees are multi-unit franchisees. We average about 4 locations per. Our top franchisee owns 40 locations. This is something that's very scalable. This is something that if you really want to exceed and grow, we're backing our franchisees up and we're able to help them grow at a rapid pace.
Tell me more about, if I'm a franchisee, what does the day-to-day look like for me?
It depends on what type of franchisee you want to be, right? We've had franchisees that the day-to-day operator, so owner-operator, they're in the office daily, but we also have franchisees that work on the business. Like I mentioned, we have guys that own 30 locations. They're basically running corporations under our corporation, so they have territory managers, district managers, store managers, supervisors, and agents. Basic day-to-day is you go in, you open your office, you're calling, quoting people. It's all about getting quotes. You know, quotes turn into policies. During tax season, you're focusing on ramping up your tax side of the business. The great part of both businesses in one is they're recession-proof. So no matter how the economy's doing, you're gonna need to do insurance and you're gonna need to do taxes. So it's a year-round business, and even during COVID where everything was closed, we were an essential business, so we stayed open.
Who's a good candidate? So anyone that's out there, who's a good persona that tends to do well here?
Ideally, entrepreneur mindset. You don't have to have any experience. You have to have the willingness to be successful and be coachable. The people that are successful in this franchise are coachable and understand that we've been doing it since 1999. We started franchising in 2006 and we know what we're doing. The road is paved for you. You just got to follow the breadcrumbs and you're going to get to success.
Anything else you want anyone out there that's considering a franchise to be aware about you guys?
We do an amazing job at tailoring the experiencing. We're with you every step of the way, from the first call to grand opening. You have people there on your corner that you can call nonstop. We're not a 9-to-5 type of company. You know, if you call me at 5 o'clock, if you call me at 6, if you call me at 8 p.m. and you need help, you have someone there dedicated to assist you. And in insurance, we do all the trust accounting. And in an insurance business, trust accounting is probably the hardest thing. And we take care of the hardest thing so our franchisees could just run their business and scale their business.
Love that. Congratulations.
Thank you
man.
Appreciate
Appreciate it.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.